Good morning students. Welcome to online education. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss some expansion important rules. First of all, we must have memorized some basic maths rule. Add rule, sub rule, multiplication rule and division rule. Add rule: when two terms have positive signs, answer will be positive. When two terms have negative signs, its answer will be negative. But sub rule: when one term is positive and another is negative, so naturally the answer will be positive or negative. These things depend on which terms is greater. Answer will be positive or negative when terms are positive and it will be becomes greater, so answer will be positive. Bigger terms sign negative, answer will be negative. Okay. Multiplication and division. Multiplication rules: 1 time minus, answer will be minus. 2 times minus, answer will be plus. The rules of multiply and division rule are same. Okay. Now we have some important examples in our whiteboard. First example: expand the x plus 4 whole square. So first of all, the rule of square is first term raised to square 2 into first term into second term plus second term raised to square. So simplify these terms. So first number is x square, 4 to the 8 and 4 raised to square 16. So answer will be x square plus 8x plus 16. Now second example, we have x minus 5 whole raised to square. So simplify these terms and memorize the rule of expansion of square. First term raised to square minus 2x into 5, first term into second term plus second term raised to square. So in plus rule, middle term sign is plus and another example, middle term sign is minus. So we have to put these signs plus and minus. Now answer will be x square, 5 to the 10x, 5 raised to square 25. Second, expand this equation: 2x raised to square 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y raised to square. So simplify this answer: 2 to the 4 x square, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. So middle term will be 12xy and 3 3 the 9y raised to square. Now expand this equation. Another example of square: 5 raised to square 2 into 5a into 6b plus 6b raised to square. So we have to simplify this. 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 32 is 60ab plus 6 6 is 36b square. Is it clear? Okay. Now expand this. Two brackets have different signs. So first of all we have to square these terms, but most important thing is the sign will be minus. 2 2s are square 4 and 3 raised to square 9. So answer will be 4x square minus 9. Next example, 10a raised to square and 5 raised to square. Because difference of terms have always negative sign, so we have to put this sign always minus. 10 raised to square 100 and 5 raised to square 25. So answer will be 100 a raised to square minus 25 b raised to square. Now next example. So evaluate this example. First of all we have to balance this constant of terms. 103 means 100 plus 3 and whole square, and then after we have to apply this rule of square. 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 raised to square. 100 raised to square 10,000. 3 2s are 6. 100. 3 3s are 9. So we get 3 constant terms. 10,000 plus 600. 10,600 plus 9. So 10,609. Answer we got. 97 raised to square 100 minus 3 whole square. Put previous rule of square and then after simplify these terms. All terms are constants, so we have to simplify these terms. 100 3s are 300, 2s are 600 and 3 raised to square 9. 10,000 minus 600. 10,000 minus 600. So we got 9,400, and after that we have to add this 9. So we got answer 9,409. 9,409. Evaluate this. 100 minus 2, 100 plus 2. So very simple. We have to square these constant terms and sign always will be minus. 10,000 minus 4. So 9996. 9,996. Evaluate this example. 100 minus 3 and 100 plus 3. So we have to square these two terms. First of all 100 raised to square, and then after we have to square these 3 raised to square, and sign will be minus. So answer will be 100 raised to square means 10,000 and 3 raised to square 9. It's very simple. Apply this rule in every example of difference of brackets. 10,000 minus 9. 9,991. 9,991. So answer will be 9991. So all students have first of all they apply these rules, simplify rules, and then after expansion, square of and difference of expansions rule. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.